Manuel Urbi, a man from Mexico, is a holder of a Guinness record. That's quite an accomplishment, something to be very proud of. Isn't it right? Well, I think this record is better left unbroken because Manuel Urbi in 2006 was awarded the title World's Heaviest Man. His record weight was 560 kgs. Until now, no one has broken his record. He is still bedridden, unable to move and walk, and at one point of time, he had not left his house for 5 continuous years. Man Toastmaster, for Toastmasters, and welcome guys. Manuel Urbi was suffering from morbid obesity. According to WHO, obesity is one of the leading preventable causes of death. Almost 1 in 10 people in the entire world are considered obese. And if you're thinking, what exactly is this obesity that I'm talking about? Obesity is a condition in which the excess body fat has accumulated to such an extent that it has adverse health effects and has reduced life expectancy. So, obesity is a killer. Every year, it kills about 2.8 million adults. It robs us 10 years of our life. So, this obesity is an epidemic that's engulfing the entire world. And I thought this is a problem just for the Western nations, and we Indians have nothing to worry about this. Well, I couldn't have been more wrong. In a country where more than half the children are malnourished, I was shocked to find out 25% of our population is overweight and 5% is considered morbidly obese. So, now let me come back to Manuel Urbi. He decided to make a life-altering change. He wanted to earn one more Guinness record, and this time he wanted to be the greatest loser of weight in the world. With the help of nutritionists and doctors, he started following a healthy and nutritious diet. He cut down his high-calorie intake and reduced to a more separate portions of healthy food. And now, as of February 2012, Manuel Urbi lost 360 kgs. And his goal for the coming years is to start walking again. I know most of you here look pretty fit, but we can still take up some steps to maintain it. Firstly, let's calculate our body mass index. Body mass index is the ratio of weight to height. If it's less than 25, no need to worry about. You're healthy, fine, carry on. But if it's between 25 to 30, you're considered overweight. Now, it is something to be cautious about. But above 30, it's considered obese. So, warning that's out. Secondly, what can you do? You should exercise. You should exercise. It is told that every day you have to take about half an hour, 30 minutes of moderate physical activity for 5 days. And exercise not only helps us to reduce our body weight, but it also reduces chance of heart attack, decrease stress, decrease high blood pressure, and also help us to be more relaxed and happy. So, to work, finding we should all follow a nutritious and balanced diet. The thing is, how do you go about it? First, reduce the junk food. That is very important. Drink at least 3 liters of water every day. Include green tea, oats in your daily diet, and also start using olive oil for it. These are small steps that can have incremental effects. It can range from healthier skin to reducing chances of cancer. And you can include more of cardamom, chilies, garlic in your day-to-day cooking. This shows that it reduces and burns of fat, and at the same time is good for digestion. So now you know how to keep up your health now. But there's a famous adage that goes, prevention is better than cure. So make sure that you and your family get a complete physical checkup every day. And let us all get inspired by manual immunity and strive for a healthier life. It will not only help us to maintain our health and live longer, but it will also create a healthier and wealthier nation. With that,